Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have for you this green halo glittery makeup look, and I think it's so perfect for a date night on Valentine's Day. What do you think? So first I'm starting with Untamed. This is from my Subculture palette, and I'm going to create that halo effect. Then I'm going with New Wave, and that would be my transition color. I'm going to blend a little bit those colors, and then I'm starting to build axis, and I'm starting with very small amount of product because these eyeshadows are very pigmented.
Something sorta like an OG. Now everybody seems to know me. Started way back in '03 when I started to rap and smoke weed. Tupac S and double OP. JAY hyphen to the Z. They taught me to write what I see. New York taught me to be real. Out here, it's kill or get killed. So I gotta make that change and just tell them how I feel. And I'm feeling like I live so.
Then I'm going with this Bella Pierre eyeshadow. This is in black and is a loose eyeshadow, and I hate loose eyeshadows because they are super messy. Anyway, I'm going to darken just a little bit that green because I want it to be more appropriate for nighttime. And don't worry if it looks a little bit patchy. I'm going again with axis, and I'm going to blend that out. Then I'm going with this glitter eyeshadow palette, and those colors are so eye-catching. I'm going to use a fixed gel for this, but I don't know exactly if that did something. I don't know exactly. So I'm starting with this green and gold. I don't know, it's a mix of colors. So beautiful. And I'm going to pack that with my finger because it was almost impossible to pick that with the brush. Then I'm going with this lime green, and it's so beautiful. They look so pigmented on my finger, but I had to build those glitters. So I don't know, on my finger it didn't feel oily at all. So I don't know, on my lids they didn't act very cute with my other eyeshadows. Anyway, then I'm going with some more black, and I'm going to buff those edges. And off camera I applied my faucets. These are new to me and it was a struggle. For my primer, I'm using a new primer, and I'm going to list that down below. And for my foundation, I'm mixing my Revlon PhotoReady and my True Match from Loreal, and wait for it. Yeah, that's totally me. Next, I'm going to cream contour, and I'm using my Wet n Wild Duo stick, and I'm using this stick for a while now, and I really love it. It blends very easy and the color is very good. I think I have the light medium, I don't know exactly, but it's very good. For my concealer, I'm using my anti-age from Maybelline. This is in light, and just a little bit of my camouflage from Catrice. And I tell you, that was not my day. To set my contour, I'm mixing these two colors. These are from my BH Cosmetics contour palette, and of course I set my concealer before with some RCMA No Color powder. Then I'm going back with axis, and I'm going to buff that on my lower lash. And to blend that a little bit more, I'm using New Wave again.
Now I'm steady popping bottles like this message is inside them. I'm slipping low key.
And as you can see here, those glitters created a situation, but it was very easy to blend out. So yeah. For my blush, I'm using BH Cosmetics, and of course I applied too much and I had to blend that out. And to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using Glow from BH Cosmetics. I didn't show it here, but you'll see that in a minute. To To highlight my face, I'm using a makeup sponge because I saw Jaclyn Hill doing this, but for me it didn't work that well. It was kind of patchy and I had to blend that with my fingers, and then I reapplied my highlight with a brush, but it didn't look bad. It was just patchy, so I guess I have to be a little bit more careful. Then I'm going to set my entire face with some amazing fixing spray, and for my lips I'm using this LOC lipstick, and this is in the shade Skinny Dip. And yeah, don't forget to highlight your stash.
But I don't rock crowns or wake up, I do okay. Yup, no sympathy, no way. That's just not how I was raised. I'd rather get down and slay everybody that's in my way. It's okay, and you can be the best, and that's okay. But me being the worst, that's just the way. So as long as I am living, I'm blessed.
So I'm not gonna do an intro for this video. I just want to quick mention this glitter eyeshadow palette. This is my first time using this, and they are super oily. As you can see, they are doing this to my eyeshadow. So this gel fix gel, I tried this on my hand, and it's not oily at all. This dries into complete nothing. So yeah, if you are planning to buy this was 8 euros or something like that. I got this on Amazon, so if you want to buy this, just be aware, because yeah, they are oily. So it says on the back that they are not oily, and there's no need to use a fixing gel, glitter fixing gel for these ones, but anyway, I really love those colors. They are super sparkly. The glitters are very fine. They are chunky because it's glitter after all, but they are oily. So yeah, this was my first time trying this palette, and I don't know what to say. I want to mention also these lashes because oh my god, they are as you can see, I can touch my eyebrows with them, so they are super huge for my eye shape. But I still wanted to create this makeup look because it's fun. So yeah, these are super big for my eye shape. I got them on Amazon. I got two styles. I already cut them because they are super long, and these ones, they are extra dramatic like the ones I'm wearing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Oh. That's cute. I don't know what to do with my hands. Like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. I don't know.